my dears, and welcome back to my channel. I recently received a comment on one of my videos asking for a close-up tutorial on how to do a dart in the top of a dress bodice, as we do have one of our viewers making their very first dress. So let's learn how to make a dart. First things first, let's get our pattern down onto the fabric, get a chalk pen ready to go, and let's get stitching. All right, my dears, once we have our pattern piece down onto our fabric, I like to take the chalk pen that I have here, secure the pattern with my fingers, and lift up, and then I can place a little dot in all of the same places that the pattern maker has instructed me to put for the dart. Then I can come through and connect the dots. And I know that this is where I'm going to be sewing my dart together. Next things next, let's go ahead and pin the dart. I like to pick up the dots with some pins so I know that I'm going through at the right spots. Then from there I can go ahead and pick up and pinch, and I know I will have my dart lines lined up. I do like to put a final pin up at the top of the dart, just above where it needs to end, just like that. All right, let's take this over to the sewing machine and get this closed up. From here, with our needle placed in the center of our foot so that we can have things lined up with our chalk line, we're going to get everything lined up. Make sure that our needle's coming down right where we want it to. And I'm going to start at the base of the dart, or the widest part of the dart. Give a quick stitch, back stitch a few stitches, and then go ahead and go all the way through to the end. And now when I come to the end, I'm not going to backstitch. I'm just going to run that line of stitches right off the end. And I'm going to leave a tail. From here, we can remove our pins. And with this tail, we're going to do a quick knot. Now this method of leaving a tail at the end and doing a quick knot here is actually a recommendation from old pattern makers. So this is not new. This isn't just me. By just running it off the edge and doing a simple knot there, you're going to keep things nice and smooth and even. We can trim our thread. And there we have our dart. From here, I can use my iron to press the dart of the dress back toward the waistline. And when I turn everything right side out, everything is going to be smooth and even, and we're going to see shaping. All right, my dears, and that is how you place a dart. I hope this helped, and I wish you all good luck, whether it's your first garment or one along your journey. Thank you guys so much for joining me today.